Everyone, welcome to my second channel, Arts and Shores. So today I just decided to do a cherry blossom illustration. So yeah, let's get on with the video. And also, if you have any questions in the comments, feel free to leave them below. I can't wait to show you. You can see in my canvas here, right now I'm just gonna draw a simple cherry blossom tree here. Just gonna select the brush and sort of find it, if I could actually find it. It's basically like in my library that I already have of my brushes. Just gonna use the marker brush that I already use all the time. I'm gonna use a brown color this time, sort of make it look like a tree, and then add some colors and stuff to make it more realistic and stuff. But I would say this is more of a cartoon design. And also you can use this as an iPhone background, which that's what I'm going towards. So yeah, just gonna add some colors here. Gonna add a pink color and then a darker color. I don't know why I use a darker color, but I like to use darker colors sometimes because it sort of gives the mood an idea of what it's supposed to look like. And yeah, just randomly do dots everywhere. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be able to manage looking like something that is realistic and stuff. And it was so much fun just making this and going out of my comfort zone, sort of, rather than just doing houses and stuff. So here I just decided to do a dark color because I wanted it to be more of to sort of show like two colors, how well they contrast together and sort of create a harmony between them, because I think these colors are similar. I think this is like a pinkish, purplish, magenta color, which I don't normally use. I use bright colors, but this time I thought I would try to do something new and something more different than what I usually do, and it's sort of part of the creative process, doing something that is out of my hands, but also creating something that's actually original and stuff. So yeah, I just did that all over, and then all the white spots are just colored over. I mean, I like the look that it gives, like not just all one color, but gives a two color, like a light purple pinkish color, which sort of brightens it up a bit. I think it adds more character and more depth into it, and I don't know, it just feels more abstract to me than ever before. Since it's an iPhone background, I want it to be so simple that it's recognizable, I guess. But also, since it's spring, I thought I would do something related to spring, and I tried to change the color of this tree, but I don't know, I just felt like this color is already great just the way it is. Then I just went back with the pink-ish blush color to just go back and start doing a little bit of circles here to add more depth into the art, just making it more abstract as I go. But it is pretty simple to be able to create something out of a blank canvas and stuff. But just creating this art, it makes me so excited about what I can do next. But we'll see. So then I just put it all the way behind here. I tried to add it before, but I think it didn't work out. So then I did the grass, which is the part which I love the most. I used the same brush for all of them. Then I added a darker shade of green. Then I did that on top of it to make it sort of look like because green has different colors of grass. It's not necessarily only two colors, maybe like white and a different color variations of each of them, but it's sort of different in that way. Next, we're gonna add the sky, the blue parts, all of the blue colors intertwine into something that is wonderful and peaceful at the same time, and sort of put it together in a unique way. I just wanted to use something that is I wanted to give it like a lightness since it's during the day. I did use the background as purple, but I don't know, I just felt like blue is sort of like a purplish color. Then I used the motion blur to give it a little bit of motion. Then I used Gaussian blur to sort of put it together into this nice, beautiful piece of artwork of clouds there to sort of add more movement into the picture, because then it'll kind of look really bland if I don't do this. Then I decided to do it everywhere. Then I added it to the background color, sort of all the way to the back. Then put the white clouds over the blue so it looks like it's actually there. I actually should have added motion blur to the clouds, but I just like the clouds that I drew them just the way it is. The next was to just do a signature to sort of finish it off, because it isn't an art unless you sign it, but it sort of makes it official. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun making this, and hopefully you can create more stuff like this. And also make sure to subscribe and like this video. So yeah, see you guys next time.